Puberty is one of the most important stages of growth in every girl's life, and it usually begins between the ages of 8 and 13. During this period, the body goes through major physical and emotional changes as it transitions from childhood to adulthood. In this video, we'll explain the 5 stages of female puberty in a simple and easy-to-understand way, so you'll know exactly what to expect or recognize in this natural process. The first stage is called pre-puberty, sometimes referred to as Tanner Stage 1. At this stage, there are no visible signs of change yet. The body still looks childlike, but inside, hormones are beginning to wake up. The ovaries are preparing to release estrogen, which will eventually trigger the physical changes we associate with puberty. This stage often happens around ages 8 to 10, but the timing can be different for every girl. The second stage is when the first visible changes appear. Small breast buds begin to form, often under the nipple area, and some fine hair may start growing in the pubic region. Around this time, a girl may also experience a noticeable growth spurt, getting taller quickly, with arms and legs lengthening. This stage usually brings emotional changes too, like becoming more self-aware or sensitive about body image. In the third stage, the changes become more obvious. Breasts continue to develop, pubic hair becomes darker and curlier, and the growth spurt accelerates. Many girls start noticing acne, oily skin, or body odor for the first time, as hormones are actively influencing the skin and sweat glands. Hips may begin to widen, giving the body its first signs of adult shape. This is often a time of excitement but also self-consciousness. The fourth stage is one of the biggest milestones. Menstruation often begins here, marking the start of reproductive maturity. Breasts become fuller, and body hair develops under the arms and on the legs. Emotional changes can also feel stronger at this point, with more mood swings and new social awareness. This stage can feel overwhelming, but it's important to remember that these changes are a normal part of growing up. The final stage of puberty brings the body into full maturity. Breasts and hips reach their adult form, periods become more regular, and height growth slows down before stopping completely. At this point, most of the physical transformation is complete, and girls often start feeling more comfortable and confident in their new identity. Remember, puberty is different for everyone. Some start earlier, some later, and the journey may look different, but all paths are normal. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos.